It should go without saying that the big brands, above all, are the most likely to pay the utmost precise attention to their logo. At least that's what's expected. In many cases, this is true. Large businesses will hire talented graphic designers to develop their brand who have thorough knowledge of how to employ the golden ratio. So let's take a look at a small selection of big players in business who use the golden ratio in their logos. Here we see the Adidas logo. The symbol is composed of shapes utilising two circles from the golden ratio. The large upper circle is used for the base of the shape, and the lower circle measures and dictates the height of the whole logo, including text. There are 5 instances of the smaller circles which dictate the curved shape of the points and the spacing between them. Next, we see the all-familiar Apple logo, with a large part of the apple shape and position of the bite dictated by the golden spiral on the diagonal. The golden ratio of 1.618 is also applied to the height of the apple and leaf. The symbol utilises 4 instances of the same sized circle. In this case, it's denoted by number 8, which is used for the contour at the base of the apple, the bite mark, and the leaf. In the BP logo, we see 2 different size circles borrowed from the golden ratio. A and B denotes the radius of these 2 circles, which contains the starburst and circular leaf arrangement. The National Geographic logo is very simplistic and primitive, yet sure enough it employs the golden ratio. The ratio of the height, marked A, in relation to the width, marked B, gives the golden number 1.618. In a similar manner to the BP logo, the Pepsi logo uses only 2 circles from the golden ratio, marked A and B. Circle A defines the size of the outer circle and the symbol as a whole, and the inner smaller circle dictates a large part of the inner figurative smile shape. The Twitter logo utilises the large circle of the golden ratio for the breast of the bird symbol. The wing feathers and head shapes are dictated by the use of a total of 5 same-sized, smaller circles borrowed from the golden ratio. So, whilst you might otherwise have assumed that these kinds of logos, particularly the very simple ones, are perhaps often conceived without careful thought and attention, you can see that there is actually a firm structure in place. Experienced designers place the golden ratio in high regard. If used correctly, the golden ratio needn't be restrictive, but highly beneficial in creating a balanced, proportionate, and aesthetic design.